Lingering cough? Tightness in the chest? Try LU7, the chest opening point. To find it, turn your palm inward. Slide up about 1.5 finger widths from the wrist crease on the thumb side into the small groove just beside the bone. That's your point. Press gently with your thumb or massage in slow, steady circles. Work both sides, right and left in any direction. Stay with it for 1 to 2 minutes, breathing low and easy. You may feel your chest loosen and the breath deepen. When your breath feels tight or the cough won't shift, remember LU7, your chest opening point.